Understanding Home Warranties. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of homeownership and exploring the term home warranty. It's a phrase you might come across when buying a house, and it's important to understand what it means. A home warranty is essentially a service contract. Unlike homeowners insurance, which covers your home structure and belongings in case of disasters, a home warranty covers the repair or replacement of home appliances and systems that break down over time. This can include your refrigerator, air conditioning, plumbing, and electrical systems. When something covered by a home warranty breaks down, the homeowner contacts the warranty provider. The provider then sends a technician from their network to assess the problem. If it's covered by the warranty, the repairs or replacements are typically done at a minimal cost to the homeowner, such as a service fee. Home warranties can be particularly useful for new homeowners who are not yet familiar with the quirks of their new home. It offers peace of mind, knowing that if something goes wrong, there's a plan in place to handle it without facing huge repair bills. It's critical to read the fine print. Home warranties come with specific terms and conditions. They may not cover everything in your home, and there are usually limitations on how much the warranty will pay out over a certain period. We hope this video has helped clarify what a home warranty is and how it can be beneficial for homeowners. Remember, if you're considering a home warranty, it's important to do your research and understand what's covered. Until next time, happy learning and see you in our next video.